It's a 2017 Honda HR-V. With all the configurations, all that's left to figure out is where you want to go. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains the HR-V aims to do more with less and largely succeeds thanks to its easy driving manners, good fuel economy, and bigger than you think interior. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.